Today, I would be talking about ethical considerations in AI enhanced marketing automation, how to balance personalization and responsibility. Today, there are a bunch of topics that we're going to talk about. To start with, the AI revolution in marketing. AI tools like machine learning, natural language processing, and predictive analytics allow marketers to deliver personalized experiences at scale. 84% of marketing leaders believe AI will revolutionize marketing within the next 5 years. And this is from a source. AI-driven marketing enhances customer targeting, improves engagement, and provides deep insights into customer behavior. And there has been a case study that's done from a retail company. A retail company used AI-powered recommendations, resulting in a 40% increase in conversion rates and 30% reduction in customer acquisition costs. We're also going to talk about ethical dilemmas in AI-driven marketing. Key ethical issues in AI-enhanced marketing. Consumer behavior manipulation. AI personalizes ads and content based on individual preferences. But there are concerns that this could manipulate consumer decisions without them realizing. For example, AI-driven algorithms exploit psychological vulnerabilities to nudge users into making purchases or engaging with content. And the massive data collection that's happening today, required for AI to function, effectively raises concerns about privacy and the potential misuse of personal information. 78% of the consumers worry about AI marketing's aspect on their privacy. AI can accurately predict sensitive information like political views or personal preferences. Dissemination of disinformation. AI algorithms, especially on social media platforms, may amplify fake news and misleading content to drive engagement. For example, AI-generated content today is more often shared across the social media more than the verified content, leading to widespread misinformation. AI personalizes recommendations and ads based on consumer behavior, preferences, and online activity, leading to higher engagement. Today, personalized AI recommendations can increase click-through rates by 35% and conversions by 18%. And a study suggests that 91% of the consumers are more likely to shop with brands that offer personalized offers and recommendations. However, the use of AI to influence consumer behavior raises ethical concerns. Some argue that AI can exploit consumer emotions, biases, effectively manipulating their decision-making process. The need for ethical concern. AI's ability to nudge consumers into actions, such as purchases, sign-ups, without them fully understanding the influence on their decisions, challenges the principle of consumer autonomy. And today we're talking about privacy breaches, data collection and consent. AI marketing relies heavily on collecting vast amounts of consumer data, including browsing behavior, purchasing patterns, and personal preferences. Statistics say that 78% of consumers express concerns about how AI-powered marketing affects their privacy. For example, AI algorithms have been able to accurately predict personal information such as political affiliations with 87% accuracy, just by analyzing social media activity. Privacy breaches such as unauthorized use of personal data and large-scale data leaks have become more frequent as AI systems grow more sophisticated. In 2023, there's a major social media platform experienced a data breach that exposed the biometric data of over 150 million users. The spread of disinformation. AI's role in amplifying misinformation. AI algorithms prioritize engaging content, sometimes leading to unintentional amplification of false or misleading information. For example, AI-generated fake news is 70% more likely to be shared on social media than the accurate news stories. In 2024 US presidential election, 38% of Americans encountered AI-generated political content, with 62% believing it to be real. In a real-world consequence, in 2023, A corporate smear campaign using AI-generated deepfakes led to a 15% drop in the stock price of a targeted company. Fact-checking AI tools are being developed to counteract this issue, but the speed and the scale at which the disinformation spreads remain a challenge. Facebook's AI-driven fact-checking system identifies and labels 85% of false content within 24 hours of posting. Let's talk about responsible AI practices. One of the most important things is transparency. 82% of consumers want companies to be open about how AI is using marketing decisions, especially around personalized pricing, product recommendations, and targeted ads. And marketers also must clearly explain how AI systems make decisions, enabling consumers to make informed choices. How to mitigate biasing. AI models can introduce or perpetuate biases, especially in ad targeting, pricing, and personalization. Proactive bias reduction techniques are essential. And there's a case study on bias mitigation. Bias mitigation can be reduced targeting disparities by 45% in a major advertising platform. And human oversight is definitely needed until an AI system is mature enough. Automated AI systems can make decisions rapidly, but human oversight ensures accountability and ethical alignment. Impact of AI on social media. AI's influence on social media are echo chambers and filter bubbles. AI algorithms isolate users in one-sided content bubbles, and personalized content filters limit exposures to diverse viewpoints. And the solution to these echo chambers and filter bubbles is to introduce algorithmic diversity and user-controlled content curation. I think going forward, there has to be a way to balance innovation and ethics together. Finding the balance between personalization and responsibility. Companies need AI frameworks that promote transparency, fairness, and oversight. Responsible AI practices ensure personalization without compromising consumer rights. Balancing innovation with ethical marketing is essential for long-term sustainability. Today, to conclude, the rapid advancement of AI has revolutionized marketing by offering unprecedented personalization and efficiency. However, as AI systems become more integrated into marketing strategies, businesses must acknowledge the ethical dilemmas that accompany this technology. Issues such as consumer manipulation, privacy breaches, and spread of disinformation highlight the importance of developing responsible AI practices. It is critical for companies to strike a balance between the benefits of AI-driven personalization and the need to protect consumer rights, autonomy, and trust. Responsible AI in marketing requires a comprehensive approach emphasizing transparency, accountability, and human oversight. Marketers must ensure that AI algorithms are free from bias, data collection practices, respect privacy, and disinformation is not unintentionally amplified. Thank you.